Now here they asked to find the perimeter of this circle, right? Now how to do it, right? Here they give this angle, OAC angle is 60 degree and this is 7 centimeter. So this is the method come to my mind. Here you can do what you can join this O and C, right? O and C I will join, do a construction like this. Now if you look very carefully, now these two equal, no, OA and OC equal, right? Because radius of same circle. Then, right, that's why these two sides equal, and this opposite is 60, then this opposite should be 60, because in an isosceles triangle, if we consider as an isosceles triangle, this also should be 60. Okay, then you can find this angle 60 plus 60, 120, subtract from 180, this will also will be 60. That means actually this is a equilateral triangle. All three sides are equal, right? All three sides equal. That means if this is 7, this also 7. That means this radius of this circle is 7 centimeter. Try to understand it, because all three angle are 60 mean it's a equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle mean all sides equal, no? So that's why if this is 7, this also should be 7. But first we need to check this equal to this, and then what the size of this. So if this is also 60, then that this is a equilateral triangle. Okay, now very simple, you can find, see how 2 5 r, then here 2 5 and r means 7 cm. So your answer will be here, you will get they asked to find it into 3 significant figure. So anyway, you will get first your answer has 43.9822 like that. But when need to give 3 significant figure, this is the first, second, third, so this is more than 5, you should add 1 here, so it will be 43 point, when you add 1 to the 9, it will be actually 10. So from 10 you need to put 0 here, and that one come to here, so 1 plus 3 actually here should be 4, so 44.0. So as a final answer you need to write 44.0 centimeter, including this 0, right? Because they asked to 3 significant figure. So this is the perimeter of this circle.